What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got the HBX 2995 desert truck here. We switched out those wheels for some wider ones. I was hoping to run it in the snow last week, didn't get a chance to. So before I switch these tires back over to the stock ones, we're gonna get it dirty here at the bashing pit. Let's do it. These tires are off an amphibious RC I own that actually can ride on water, which is pretty cool. Whoa, we got some ice out there, sweet. Wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to run out here again. They've been doing some work here and it looks like they're gonna be doing some building. Oh, that's awesome. We're sliding around. Those tires are very bouncy too. We do have the oil-filled shocks on there, the upgraded shocks. Got a dry morning out here today. Supposed to start raining here in the next couple hours. So I thought we better pack up and get out here and enjoy the morning while we can. Oh, two-wheeling it. Oh, hit the rock and just spun out. I'm gonna get a little bit closer here. I think we went down into the pit. Let's see. There's not much of a pit here anymore. Where are we? Oh, there we go. We're good. We're getting hung up there. Come on. Spinning out with those. Let's go back around the other way. Onto the roof, guys. Check that out. Upside down tornado. Let's get it back on its wheels here. Got a little everything, mud, water, ice. I always have a great time with this RC. We had it out a couple weeks ago. Yeah, about a couple weeks ago down at the skate park, where we bashed it hard. We had to actually build a new hood panel for it, which turned out pretty good. Anybody questioning the waterproof capabilities of this RC? Well, water resistant, I should say. I'm taking it through the water, no issues. We're getting it wet, we're getting it dirty. It's going to require a good cleaning after this one. Not sure how much longer I'm going to have access to the pit here. Seems like every time I come here it's changing. Sooner or later they're going to start building. Oh, this guy's got the 490 motor in it. All metal gears, metal drive shaft, metal dog bone. You can run this one off 3S, which I haven't done yet, but it's out there. And I think one guy even ran this one off 4S, but was having a few issues with power cutting out. I'll be switching these wheels back over to it's the Incu FY10. I've had that on the channel once. I had a little issues with my review where I broke some of the front end components on it, but that RC actually goes on water. It'll float on water, it'll drive on water. During my review, I'll throw a card up for that one. It's kind of cool. It's not fast on water or anything, but you can take it right from land onto water, which I did, and that's where these tires came from. So I'll be switching these tires back over when I get home, and maybe the next nice day I'll be out there with that one, having another little peek at it on the channel. I am going to switch this battery. That's my daughter over there. She likes coming along for the adventures we go on with our RCs, and she'll be running a pack of her own after I'm done with this one. A little ice drifting. Starting to get a little weak on this battery, guys. I'll be switching over momentarily, but before we do that, we'll run it for another minute or two and then wrap this one up. Nice thing about these big tires, you can get over some of those bigger rocks. And you hit them and this RC just bounces right off. Oh no, that's right in the mud. It's gonna be dirty when I get home. I'll have to tear it all apart. Awesome. What a great morning out here. Oh, coming up to this guy. Yeah. See what I mean? Those tires, you hit the rocks and you're good to go. Give you guys a look at my modified front end there now. We got some of the HBX stickers on there that I had left over. I actually used the front hood, or actually the top panel, the roof panel of a protector to make that hood, and it turned out pretty good. Still keeps its badass look. Anyways, guys, I can tell we're pretty much out of juice here, so we're gonna wrap this one up for right now. A little fun with the 2995 Desert Truck there with some, there we go, it just cut out. All right, guys, that's the HBX 2995 Desert Truck. We threw those larger wheels on there. It did great. I had a great time out here at the bashing pit. Happy we were able to return to the bashing pit to have another run here. If you guys like this video, make sure you get big thumbs up, new to the channel. Really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you head out. And remember, don't be a stranger. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.